everybody. This is Margaret at the University of Sewing and my crew. This is my crew. We are going to open up the special edition 480. We just got it in. This is going to be our shop model until we've sold all the other ones we have. But we only have this one for the moment. We haven't got the other ones yet, but we're going to get a total of, we're going to have a total of 4. We've already sold one. So if you want one, guess what you're going to have to do? Get on this and you can see it in person. So this is the official unboxing of the 480 special edition with the beautiful peacock pattern on it. So we're going to start off. We have to go through a bunch of stuff here, you guys, before we get to the machine. It's very annoying. So there is the top of this is our insert table. Ah, look what we have, a walking foot for it. This is one of the free gifts you get.
We also have
the knee lift.
The freehand system.
Freehand system comes with the 480. Did you realize that the 480 has the 9mm wide speed dogs? Ooh. I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but it does. Look at the manual is even got peacocks.
Wow. Beautiful.
Now this machine comes with its own, this is actually magnetized and you'll be able to keep all of your tools and put it right with the machine when you're closing up. I'm going to leave this all tucked right into this little piece of styrofoam. Okay, I see a machine. Okay, so we've got a machine in here, and it's backwards, of course, because you guys have to wait to see it. Okay, we're gonna put it down here. Here's our, that's it. Oh my goodness. Bernina packs things really well if you guys did not know it. There we go. We got the foot out. That's your foot control. Okay, we're gonna take the plastic off of this. So I don't know, you guys, I might have to take this one home. I might have to take this one home. This is pretty,
oh
yeah, this is pretty beautiful.
I think I can outrun both.
I'm getting fights for this. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready to unveil? All right. Oh, ta-da! Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So, she is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Well, there's only going to be a total of 4. One's already spoken for. So, I guess if you want a gorgeous 480 just for yourself, you better get on the phone and let us know, because we're going to be selling these guys like hotcakes, I'm pretty sure. This is gorgeous. Did you see what they did with the front here? It's not the silver. It's actually white.
Oh, look at that.
That is so pretty. And did you know, I'm almost, we're going to have to double check, but I'm almost positive it comes with peacock stitches. Oh, I forgot. The bag. The bag's really different. The bag is really different, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. The bag is so unique. And if you buy this 480, you get this for free.
Oh my goodness. That's so pretty.
Look.
Take the plastic off.
We're going to take the plastic off. Yes, yes, yes. I was going to untape it, but it wasn't doing that very nicely for us. Look at that. How pretty it is. Oh my God. This is embroidered. This isn't printed on here. This is all embroidered.
Wow.
So I don't know if you know how these bags work for Bernina. Wait, unzip that all the way. And then you unzip this. This is really nice because when you do that, then you just roll the machine right in there so you aren't trying to kill yourself to get it in.
Very nice.
Yay. So nice.
Super padded.
Super padded. Has these wonderful pockets to put your stuff in on both the sides, in the top, in this part. Doesn't get much better than this. universityofsewing.com. Our phone number is 812-323-2665.
Got somebody calling right now.
That's right. Maybe they're on one. Maybe there wasn't one, so we've got it here for you to see. You can see all the wonderful things that this machine is and can do. So don't hesitate to let us know if you're interested. And I don't know what else to say. It is a stunner.
Speaks for itself.
Absolutely beautiful.
Giant bobbin.
Giant bobbin, yes, it's got the jumbo bobbin. It's got the, well, there we go. It did that.
We can mess with it later.
Yeah, we'll mess with later. All right, so what else do I tell you guys? It's here, and we will have it set up and ready to go in no time at all. And you know, we're supposed to be getting those really cool horn tables pretty soon. You guys, have you seen them ones? You just press the button and the machine goes up and down in the cabinet.
Love
Oh,
that.
boy.
Ooh.
Can put the machine exactly where you need it. You can tuck it away when you're not using it. Those are coming soon. So we'll let you know when we have them. The official unboxing of our Bernina Special Edition 480. Have a great day, everybody.